Welcome my dear student in this video. Now in this video we have to discuss the synchronous and asynchronous counter in detail. Now as the counter is a sequential circuit that produces the specified count sequence, and a count changes whenever the input clock is asserted, and there is a great variety of the counter based on its construction, that is clock, synchronous as asynchronous, the clock trigger, that is positive or the negative age trigger, counts, that is binary, decade counts, count direction, that is up count, down count, or up down count, or the flip flop depending on J, K, R, T, and D. Also, a counter can be constructed by synchronous circuit or it can be by asynchronous circuit. With a synchronous circuit, all the bits in the count change synchronously with assertion of the clock. With an asynchronous circuit, all the bits in the count do not all change at the same time. The counter may count up or count up and down depending on the input control. Because of the limited word length, the count sequence is limited. For an Z bit counter, the range of the count is 0 to n minus 1, and the count sequence usually repeats itself when counting up, and the sequence goes in the manner 0, 1, 2, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 1, 0, 1, etc. And when counting down, the sequence goes in the same manner 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, and so on, etc. The complement of the count sequence counts in the reverse direction if the uncomplemented outputs count up. The uncomplemented output counts down. If the uncomplemented output count down, the complemented outputs count up. The natural count sequence is to run through all possible combination of the bit pattern before repeating itself. The external logic can be used arbitrary calls the counter to start any count and terminate it at any count. A binary counter produces a count sequence similar to the binary numbers, and a decade counter counts from 0 to 9, thus making it suitable for the human interface. Other counters count to 12 and making them suitable for the clocks. The natural count sequence is to run through all possible combinations of the bit pattern, and before repeating itself, the external logic can be used to arbitrary calls, and the counters start at any count and terminated at any count. A binary counter produces a count sequence similar to the binary number, and a decade counts created a count which is start from 0 to 9, and thus making it suitable for the human interface. Other counters count to the 12 and making them suitable for the clock also. The most typical uses of the counter will be used in number of applications, to count the number of times that certain event take place, or the occurrence of the event to be counted is represented by the input signal to the counter, and to control the fixed sequence of the action in a digital system. Also to generate a timing signal. Also to generate a clock of a different frequencies. For there are different applications that we can use the counter. There are counter classified categories, that basically, as we know that the counter will be classified in the two part, that is synchronous counter and asynchronous counter. That asynchronous counter is also called as a repel counter also. Asynchronous, that the event do not have the fixed time relation with each other and do not occur at the same time, whereas the synchronous means the event have the fixed time relationship with each other and do occur at the same time. The counter are classified according to the way they are clocked. In asynchronous counter, the first flip flop is clocked by the external clock pulse, and then each successive flip flop is by the clock the output of the preceding flip flop. In a synchronous counter, the clock input is connected to all the flip flops so that they are clocked simultaneously. Here you find some difference between synchronous counter and asynchronous counter. As if you observe the first one, in a synchronous counter, all the flip-flops trigger with the same clock simultaneously, whereas in a asynchronous counter, the flip-flops are triggered in a different clocks. In second one, the synchronous counter is faster than asynchronous one, whereas it is a slower. Synchronous counter count does not produce any decoding error, whereas it produces some decoding error. Synchronous counter is also called as a serial counter, whereas asynchronous counter is called as a parallel counter. Synchronous counter designing as well as implementing a complex due to increasing number of states, whereas asynchronous counter designing well implementation very easy. A synchronous counter will operate in any desired count sequence. Asynchronous counter will operate only in a fixed count sequence, up down. And the last one, the synchronous counter. The example of synchronous counter is the ring counter, Johnson's counter, and so on. Whereas the examples of the ripple counter is the up counter, down counter, ripple counter, like that one. So this is all about the counters, that is synchronous and asynchronous counter. Okay, thank you very much.